guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well. I'm going to get some organisation done in today's video. This has been a long time coming. I'm going to get some of the kitchen cupboards, just gut them, start again. I've just really let them go. I did keep them really nice at one point, and then I've just been like shoving stuff away. So I have been and bought a few more different kinds of storage that I'm thinking is going to work a little bit better, and yeah, I'm excited to just get it all organised, because I always feel like life runs a little bit smoother when everywhere around you feels organised, doesn't it? Well, it does for me. Before I get into all of the organisation and empty every cupboard out in my kitchen, I just want to say a big thank you to Foamimo for sponsoring this part of today's video. They have the coolest little gadget, which is this cute little thing. Is the P12 label maker. This works with Bluetooth. It doesn't even have to have ink in it or anything. It is the quickest, easiest little label maker to use. It comes in loads of different colours as well, and you can also get various different kinds of labels to use with it. So not only can it print in plastic and paper, it can also print in thermal transfer labels. You can print them in over 18 different colours, and they are just perfect for use all over the house, as well as special materials such as fabric labels. So if you want to create your own clothing labels, you know, great for the kids' uniform, putting their names in things. It is the quickest, easiest thing to use ever. You control it from the app on your phone. There is over 37 fonts, 11 languages, 12 different frames, and 748 symbols to create your label. So, you know, if you're doing Christmas themed ones, then you can really jazz it up and make it all festive. It is super lightweight and so cute and small. So it's easy to store or take anywhere that you need to. It is just a really handy thing to have for organising around the home. The kids love to use it as well now, like Archie in particular. He loves to make his own little labels for things, so that's really cute. I'm going to leave the link down below if you want to go and check them out. They do come in different colours as well, but I chose the very cute baby pink. But now, onto the organisation. Let's get some cupboards and drawers a little bit neater. I've got more to do around the house, so that will have to be some upcoming videos as well, but let's see what I managed to get done today. So under the sink is a cupboard that had gotten very messy. I've just got way too many products, I think, as well. Doesn't help. Please excuse the great gaping hole at the back there. Don't ask me why it looks such an eyesore, but we're going to cover it up in a minute anyway with lots of products. I used a lot of fridge storage actually underneath the sink. So these little containers I got from B&M, and they're like stackable little fridge storage, but obviously I'm not using them in the fridge. Some of the boxes that were in here before I'm using again, and these again are fridge storage that I bought, and my fridge isn't the right size for them. They're too long, so the door wouldn't shut on the fridge, so I'm reusing them under the sink. And yeah, I think with everything, or mostly everything, in clear containers, I think it looks a lot neater. And I'm also using the turntable that I got from Home Bargains to put a load of products on in there. Again, it's a fridge storage thing, I think it's advertised as, but again, it doesn't really fit in my fridge very well, so it works perfectly under the sink.
Now onto the cupboard in the utility room that has, it has a lot of things in it, but it is mainly for the boys' snacks. There is also that I keep them on the top shelf, and then on the bottom shelf, because it's by the washing machine, I keep a lot of laundry things in there, my iron, sun cream, all things like that, things that we need to grab for school, like their lunch boxes and things. So I am just going to empty that all out, give it a clean, and then put everything back in a much neater way. I'm using some of the IKEA magazine racks in here for bottle storage, which I think works really well. I get asked a lot about these stackable storage boxes. They were from B&M. I think they came in a pack of 3 each. And all of the other containers that I'm using, all of these white and black ones, I also got from B&M. Also, the fridge is looking a little crazy and packed, so I've just emptied everything out there. I'm going to give it a good clean. I love this Method spray, by the way. That's what I'm using, the rhubarb one. Such a nice scent, really strong smelling as well. So I'm just cleaning out the fridge, and then I'm going to put all of my storage containers back in there, most of which, again, are from B&M or Home Bargains. And yeah, put everything back so I can see exactly what I've got. Then I'm going to sort this little area out here. So I bought a new plate rack from B&M, I think it was. So I want to use that, and just, again, everything was all over the place. I want everything to be a bit more uniform, and I've said before that I like to get a lot of things in the colour white when it comes to plates and mugs, because then it just all looks a lot cleaner and neater. So I am organising all of my plates and bowls and mugs all in this little cupboard area here. How much better does that look? It all looks really neat and uniform and tidy.
So guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed doing a little bit of organising with me. It'd be really nice if you gave it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. I would really appreciate it. And also subscribe if you're not subscribed, that'd be really nice too. I will hopefully see you again for my next video. Bye everyone.